This 5-pack is long overdue. This is the awesome Nissan 5-pack from Hot Wheels. I have been waiting to find this for months. It's probably about 3 months ago I heard this pack was coming out. People reviewed it months ago. Yeah, I've been on the hunt for this 5-pack for ages, and luckily Tesco come to the rescue. We've had nothing on the pegs for ages, for months and months. Suddenly, Tesco's just brought some 5-packs out of nowhere. And I mean, they brought some 5-packs out of nowhere. So there's a little heads up. The next few videos are going to be 5-packs. So I hope you're all ready for that. But yeah, today's video we have the awesome Nissan 5-pack and we shall get stuck in. Let's just tear it open. It's not tearing very well, I must admit. Oh, I had the plan to do this as the thumbnail and have like the box opening, but it's not going very well. Whew, I used some glue on that one. So here we are, the awesome 5-pack. Right, put that aside. I'm already getting bits on the desk. Let's have a look at the back quickly. There's the Datsun there. Yeah, it's just, oh, should I say Fairlady. There's the Nissan Fairlady on the card art there. Very, very nice. So this pack contains the Datsun 620, the Nissan Fairlady Z, the Nissan Silvia S13, the Nissan Skyline GTR, the R32, and the Skyline 2000 GT. So some very awesome stuff. This is basically a pack full of all the Nissans people fanboy over. Very cool. So as usual, I hope you're all doing very well, and I hope you're going to enjoy this pack as much as me. I'm sure most of you have seen this pack by now though. I am very late to the party. But we have the stores to thank for that, not stocking anything. Right, so we'll start things off in order. We have the Datsun 620. This is an awesome ute. I do love this casting, it's very, very cool. Let's have a quick look at the base to start things off. There it is. Liking the gold wheels on this with the old striping, sort of, I suppose it would be called striping, up the side there. Number 72. I do hope my voice isn't echoing. I can hear it echoing off the back of this unit. I really, maybe I made this unit a bit too big. Hopefully it's not too echoey. Yeah, the mic isn't far back, so hopefully it won't pick it up. This is really cool. Quite a decent amount of interior in there actually. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I do like this kind of cyan, is it a cyan? It's kind of greenish colour. Sort of greeny blue. That's really nice. Little marker lights on the front and rear, the little Hot Wheels logo at the back. Datsun written on the tailgate there. Just really nice, to be honest. Like the little chrome front splitter there and all that. Nice detail on the front. Yeah, that's a really nice one. And next up we have one of the fan favourites, the R32. Now this is a very cool car. We cannot lie, the R32's got, oh, look at that. We got some rear light details. That took me by surprise actually. Nice rear light details. Got the Nissan GTR logos on there as well. That's even cooler. That's really nice. Nice grey wheels on this one. Not so much on the side, or no front light details either, but the front splitter looks quite good. But we do get this nice stripe over the top of the car that sort of fades out over the back there. And it has a shopping list on it. Shopping list branding on it, so we've got HKS, LWC, Hot Wheels, Sparko, Hot Wheels graphics, and the Nissan badge at the front. So yeah, that's really nice. Oh, and it's properly JDM as well. It's right-hand drive. That's really nice. Got to say I do like that. Might be a bit biased because I like red cars. I like red, and it's red. I like it. Right, let's go on to the 2000 GT. This is really nice. Loving that dark purple. Oh, nice dark metallic purple. A little bit of glitter in there as well. That's really cool. Got some white out, almost like white walls on this one. That's a very unique look, but it does look good on this casting. A nice silver stripe down the side. The door handles are detailed in. Got the little Hot Wheels logo as well as a little badge down there, and a front marker light. Very nice. This is one that has the exposed, I suppose that's an exposed oil cooler. I don't think that'd be an intercooler, I'm not sure, as the hose pipes are quite small. I could be wrong. same again on the other side, and then there's the back. Not so much in terms of light detail on this one, but you do get a nice stripe down there. Oh, we forgot to look at the base of this one and the last one. Quite good detail on the base. Got a little exhaust coming out the side there. Well, the R32 is pretty bland, but there's a little bit of detail the front and the rear. That's pretty cool. Alright, now we're on to the Silvia S13. This is very nice. It's got some writing on the side. I'm going to assume that might say Hot Wheels. I'm not sure. Blue and red stripes. Got red outlines on the wheels. That's very nice. We got the sort of blue kind of tinted windows, but it kind of works on this one, I think. It's not too bad. Dark blue base. It's a pretty interesting move. Got the exhaust detail there. So front of the car, we do get sort of a dark blue splitter, which looks pretty cool. And at the back, we get some nice rear light details. That looks awesome. Nice detail. It's well done. The little badge at the back there as well. All good. Very nice. Also right-hand drive. In fact, all of these except the Datsun are right-hand drive, which is pretty interesting. Because I don't think do they always do them right-hand drive? I don't think they always cast them that way around, do they? Right, so we have the Nissan Fairlady here. This is pretty cool. Got another 80 on there. Gone for the orange and black look. Little Hot Wheels logo. Chrome outline on these wheels. Very nice. Detail looks pretty good. No lights painted in or anything, but that's alright. I do like the wide arch kit though. Massive rear arches on that. Look at them, they're crazy. And there's the back. Like I say, not as much to say about these ones, just sort of more showcasing them. I like the designs of them, but you know, a bit less details on the ones in 5 packs. They're more like mainline really, aren't they? There's the base, Nissan Fairlady Z. Very cool. I've got to say, it's a pack that was definitely well worth the wait. It is so cool. There's some really good, some solid castings in this one, might I say. Very, very cool indeed. There's no point rating them because honestly they all get top marks. They're very, very cool. The ones with the extra light details may win by a little margin just because they've got more detail in them. But yeah, all in all, I'm very glad I found this pack. Thanks Tesco's for finally stocking it, and I'm glad I was able to share this one with you guys as well. So be sure to drop a comment down below what you think of this pack, whether you found it or not, whether you're still hunting for it. Be sure to drop a comment as well about the new recording setup. Let me know what you think of it. It's definitely still a work in progress. I think the light's a little bit too dim. But yeah, be sure to let me know what you think down below. Let me know what the audio's like. I could just hear a sort of really bad tinny echo, and I really hope the microphone doesn't pick it up. I think I might be hoping for a bit too much there. But yeah, while you're down there in the comment section, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and all that amazing stuff. And I'll hope to see you again in the next video. But until then, best of luck in your peg hunts.